Okay, so this is my first coding assignment. I decided to go with a music store online. So we have the title. Let's see here. We have the title here, Spencer's Music Store and Repair. And then we also have the first heading, which is size 1. That also says Spencer's Music Store and Repair. And we have our first image, which is my saxophone here. And then we have the body, how we can help. And then we have a bullet point list with the different options of how we would be able to help people, instrument repair, troubleshooting, lessons, and school instrument rentals. And then below that, we have the anchors for page 2 and page 3 that I have named instruments and inquiries. So we'll go ahead and go to page 2. So then we have our second heading, which is size 3, which says we're instrumental for all your musical needs. And I know I didn't have to, but I decided to go with italics on instrumental. So then below that, we have our third image, or excuse me, second image, which is some instruments here and a treble clef. And then we have our table, which is the table heading, which is instruments, purchase, rental per month. And below that, we have the table details, which is the listings of the different instruments that they offer, along with the price it would be to purchase, as well as the price for monthly rentals. And then below that, we have our anchors for the first page and the third page. So we have home and inquiries. So we'll go ahead and go to the third page. And then we have at the top, we have another heading, which would be size 1 font. Below that, we have our form. So we have text boxes. So first name, last name, address, phone number, email. And then below that, here we have our third image, which is more instruments. And then below the third image, we have preferred instruments. So we have another type of form, which is the radio buttons, so that they can choose what kind of instrument they're going for, trumpet, flute, alto saxophone, or sousaphone. Below that, we have the radio buttons letting us know whether you want to rent or own. And then below that, we have our submit button. And that is my project.